Hi, it's Peggy, Garcia-Marquez, and Ruth Sandoval coming to you from Magical Ghost Ranch, talking about this upcoming unconference. And my initial goal for this unconference was for coaches, because I'm a coach and I'm all about coaching, and this is a perfect environment and opportunity for coaches to really walk the talk. And because coaches really honor the wisdom in other people and love to bring that out and allow and create the safe space and environment in order for people's brilliance to shine through, this is the perfect opportunity to see it like tenfold happening all around. It's really a dynamic, exciting environment for coaches to be able to see. I think we see ahas in our client all the time, and this is like aha, 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 all around. It's really, really exciting.